Welcome to Daily Takeover, where you can earn instant 100% commissions paid to you daily. This program pays by PayPal, Stripe, Cash App, and much more. Here's how it works. For every person that you refer to our program, you will earn $100 commissions. For example, if you refer only 5 people to our program, that's $500 paid to you. If you refer 10 people to our program, that will be $1,000 paid to you. And if you refer 20 people to our program, you will earn $2,000 in commissions. It's that simple. And the best part is, there is no monthly fee required in order to earn with us. All training is included in this program. This dynamic training is designed to teach you how to advertise your business like an expert. You will have access to unlimited business leads for life that you can text, call, or email. This includes 50+ traffic sources that you can use to drive traffic to your business. You will also have the ability to give away vacation getaways, including flights that you can attach to any business you are already promoting. This is an effective way to increase leads and sales. This also includes discounts on hotels, dining, cruises, car rentals, theme parks, movie tickets, shopping deals, and so much more. Use these incentives for any business you promote to increase sales. And this is still only a small part of what we have to offer. You have 2 options with us. You can join our affiliate program today and start earning $100 commissions by referring others to our program, or you can simply join to use our training and tools to explode any business you are already a part of. We look forward to your success. So don't delay. Get started today.